Now let's see how we can solve this sum of GST. First of all, I'm going to read the question, then I will explain step by step. The question was the printed price of an article is rupees 50,000. Okay. The wholesaler allows a discount of 10% to the shopkeeper. Okay. The first person who is participating in this dealing is wholesaler. Second person is shopkeeper. Printed price is 54,000 and this wholesaler is giving 10% discount to this shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper sells the article to a customer. Third person in this dealing is customer. Okay, so that shopkeeper sells the article to a customer at 4% above the marked price. He himself got 10% discount from wholesaler, but to gain profit he sold that item to customer at 4% above the marked price. Okay, if the sales are intrastate and the rate of GST is 18%, then find the following things. What are those things? The amount inclusive of tax under GST which the shopkeeper pays for the article. It means total amount which the shopkeeper will pay, that is cost price plus CGST plus SGST. For first question we have to find out. Second number, the amount paid by the consumer for the article. It means cost price for the article, cost price for consumer plus CGST paid by consumer plus SGST paid by consumer. That is the answer of second number. Third is the amount of tax under GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government, which means net tax paid by shopkeeper. So that will subtract whatever shopkeeper has collected from customer, that minus whatever he has given to the wholesaler. Output CGST minus input CGST will give that data. Okay, that is the net tax paid by shopkeeper. That will be the tax which is on his own benefit. Whatever profit he has earned on that profit, he has to pay tax. And so what is that we have to find in question number 3. Now question number 4, the amount of tax under GST received by the state government. So what is the total SGST? So we will find out these 4 sub question. First of all, basic things we will calculate. I have drawn the diagram just for explanation. Wholesaler, shopkeeper and consumer are 3 people who is participating in this dealing. So I have written mark price or the printed price of the article is 50,000. Sale is inter-state, therefore 18% GST will be divided into 2 equal parts. SGST is 9%, CGST is 9%. Cost price of an article for shopkeeper is what? Mark price minus discount. So shopkeeper got 10% discount, that's why I've written 15,000 minus 10% of 50,000. And when we will do this calculation, this is equals to 5,000. So 50,000 minus 5,000 rupees, 45,000. That's why I've written here that shopkeeper bought this item at 45,000. Then what is the input CGST? How much CGST he has paid to the wholesaler? That is 9% of 45,000 and that is equals to 4,050 rupees. Similarly, same amount is he has paid as state government GST, that is SGST, and that is again 4,050 rupees. Now we will see what is the cost price of article for the customer. As we have learned that shopkeeper took 4% extra money or above money to the printed price. So I have written same thing here, that you can write marked price plus 4% above the marked price. So 50,000 plus 4% of 50,000, 50,000 plus, when we did the calculation, that is equals to 2,000. It means cost price of the article for customer is 52,000. So how much CGST that customer had paid or SGST what the customer has paid? That is 9% of 52,000, because this much money he has paid as cost price to the shopkeeper. So on that amount he will pay 9% CGST as well as 9% SGST. So I have mentioned both the things as with equal sign. So 9% of 52,000 is 4,680 rupees. It means 4,680 rupees he will pay to central government, 4,068 rupees he will pay to state government, and this much he will pay to the shopkeeper for that article. So we are having all the basic data. Now we will answer sub question 1, 2, 3, 4. So see what I have written. Amount inclusive of tax which the shopkeeper pay for article is 45,000. plus 4050 plus 4050. It means 53,100 rupees he will pay to the wholesaler. Total amount paid by consumer, that is 52,000 plus CGST plus SGST, that is 61,360. Net CGST paid by shopkeeper is output CGST minus input CGST. This CGST he has collected from customer and this he has paid to wholesaler. So what is the net tax he has paid from his pocket on his personal benefit? That is rupees 630. Now fourth number, total SGST collected by state government, means total SGST is what? Input SGST which wholesaler has collected from shopkeeper, and net tax which shopkeeper has paid from his pocket, and total it came from the pocket of customer, that is 4,680 rupees. So here your answer of question number 10 is over. Thank you.